What is it that turns heads? The right power at your command? That look coming down the road? These are reliable machines that deliver the goods and put on the show. They get the respect. The next city, the next gig, how you feel behind the wheel matters. Because sometimes you're gone for weeks. You forge a bond, make a statement. You're never just part of the crowd. At every turn, with every stop, always in the black. The bottom line is the job gets done, and you earn your keep. This truck is a salute to the grind and the ones who keep it going. Introducing the limited edition Mack Black Anthem. Are you in?